concern, jobs and the economy is number one issue in the country, but trailing close behind is the deficit and the national debt. So we've been harping on the fact that we really need things paid for now. The public is not allowing us to go along, continue to multiple authorizations without saying these things have to be paid for. And as we've said in numerous other debates, if it's important enough to do, it's important enough to pay for. We are $13.5 trillion in debt. Now, part of my life, I don't talk about very much. I taught high school for 4 years, and I taught government history. This authorization and appropriation debate is important because authorizing gives us the right to appropriate. You can't, you shouldn't, we do it sometimes, you should not appropriate without an authorization. So you all can't hide behind the argument, it's just an authorization, it means nothing. Well, it does mean something. It does mean that you could go and get the money. If you don't authorize, you shouldn't. So that's why we're having this debate. $13.5 trillion. The public is concerned about debt and spending.